Alright guys, back again. A little bit more of an update. Started my doors yesterday, so I guess at least the speakers I got sitting around in them. Just put in my equalizer. Thought about it, I might just use it, easy to work with. And I changed amps. I got a Soundstream Ar1 8000, wired at 2 ohms, so it's getting probably around 1,000 watts actually. It's doing good. They got me a battery, came across, it worked, a good deal. And it started foaming and sealing off the car. So here's trimming, a lot of foam, some cans of foam all around. So now I'm getting closer. I still need to get an amp for the doors so I can get those to play a little louder. But here's a little test of it. Right now, playing In for the Kill. As we can see. I'm going in for the kill. I'm doing it for I'm going in for the kill. I'm doing it for there's a little update right now for what I'm doing. It's a process, slowly doing it in between work and at work. But started the doors for the weekend, like, well, I got these sitting around, might as well use them. Then it came up with it, I'm like, okay, I might not go with 410s per yard, just cause, I don't know, thinking I'm feeling that setup right there. But I got to decide on what speakers I'm going to put in it for final install. But I mind the mess. It's work, cleaning, working on it, changing stuff. So I keep the paper towels in, but they come in handy. But as you can see, there she goes. Slowly getting there. All right, thank you.